Hey guys, what is up today? It is Gmo here, and guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your desk. This is another method I just figured out, and I'm going to try to have you guys see. This disc is very messed up. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Maybe not. Yeah, guys, it is very screwed up. So what we're going to do, or you guys are going to need, what I use is this 409 carpet cleaner, and yes, this might seem pretty weird, but it actually does work. So we're just gonna squirt this all over the disc. You guys might seem weird, but just let it sit there for about 30 seconds or so while I clean up this mess that I just made horribly. It's pretty weird. Yeah. Okay, now that I've got that cleaned off, let's rinse the disc. If we can get hold of it. And turn on the water. And just rinse it all off. And let's rinse my hand off as well. And guys, it is much cleaner now. Clean the front of it as well. And guys, you either want to air dry it or clean it with a very soft cloth. I'm just going to air dry it, so let's just dry with the hair dryer. Why not? This ain't already screwed up. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to turn it on. Alright, wait. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm just going to clean it off real quick. Maybe with one hand. Like I said, maybe. Alright guys, I'm going to sit down the camera just for a little bit. Also guys, if this method does not work for you, use Clorox wipes. They actually do work. So now you guys can enjoy your game. And unfortunately this is Undead Nightmares, so now you guys can enjoy your game. Respect your games, and that you will not have to do this. And I'm going to pick that up, so I don't want to hear in the comments, you don't take care of your games. Alright guys, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and peace out.